China's push towards greener economy is not only advancing its domestic technology and industry sectors, but also creating opportunities for international collaboration and investment. The expansion of China's green industries provides a fertile ground for global businesses to engage with and benefit from this transition.
Especially when it comes to green energy and renewable vehicle and so renewable energy are some things that are very critical as well, very crucial for not just China's growth, but also for the region and also for the global growth. As you know, for example, China's green energy investment in Southeast Asia, in particular in Indonesia, have seen a lot of great progress. So this new green energy investment is another level of investment that can improve the quality of Chinese investment in the region, because not only that it's green, not only that it's environmentally friendly, but it's also high tech. And this kind of like dynamics, especially when it comes to like technology transfer and also human resources empowerment through trainings and everything, will definitely create a new dynamic in the upcoming development in the region.
China is in the critical turning point to transform its economy from more innovation and technological oriented pace with using green and sustainable energy resources. Chinese modernization is providing a very unique roadmap for currently developing countries in the global south, how to develop, how to follow a guideline for this modernization process.